Let's say you came across this question in your JAMB examination. What are you going to do? Now, let's solve the question together. Which of the following substances is a mixture? Let's identify this word substances and this word mixture. First thing first, under substance, under matter, we know that matter is anything that what have what mass and occupy space, right? And we have state of matter, we have forms of matter. State of matter, we have solid, liquid, gas, plasma, condensate, semi-ionic condensate, quarks, and the likes like that. For our forms of matter, we have pure substance and we have impure substances. And impure substances. Now, our impure substances are called mixture. Like as if they're like very impure, but you will know why I call it impure. Now, pure substance under let me define mixture. Mixture is a substance that is gotten from the combination of two or more substances, whereby the substances still retain their distinct identity. But for pure substance are either elements or compound. And what are elements? We know that elements are what substances that cannot be split, while compounds are substances that are made up of elements that are chemically combined together. Now, we now have to identify among granulated sugar, seawater, iron fillings, and sodium chloride which of them is a mixture. That means all of them here are pure substance except one that is a mixture. Could it be granulated sugar? Could it be seawater? Could it be iron fillings? And could it be sodium chloride? That is why I'm here to break down this for you. Now let's start with granulated sugar. Now, granulated sugar is another name for what? For sucrose. Do not be confused. This sugar that actually most of us used to drink Gary, our Gary drinkers signify in the comment section. So this is what we use, granulated sugar. And sucrose. Sucrose is a disaccharide comprising of two monosaccharides. That is a unit of glucose and a unit of fructose. Now, the chemical formula for that is the molecular formula for sucrose is what? C12H22O11. Now, looking at this, you know there are elements. Your brain will tell you that this is a compound. And glucose and fructose here, they also have chemical formula or chemical formula. Everybody should know glucose. You did respiration in biology. C6H12O6. And some that know the biology, chemistry too, you would have been taught. Now, glucose and fructose have the same molecular formula, but they have different structural formula. We know that structural formula is the way they are structured. And there's a name we call it, the term we call it in chemistry, whereby compounds that have the same molecular formula but different structural formula. What is the name? Provide your answer in the comment section. Now, granulated sugar is sucrose, and sucrose is made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, which are elements. That means sucrose is a compound, and like I said it earlier, that compound are what? Pure substances. That means the answer cannot be what? Granulated sugar. Now let's move down to seawater. And looking at seawater is a water, yes, but it's not just ordinary water. It's water gotten from sea. And seawater is a water that is containing different things. That's different components. Number one is what? Normal water, H2O. It also contains dissolved salts. It also contains dissolved gases. Dissolved gases like what? We have nitrogen gas. We have oxygen gas. We have carbon dioxide. It also has nutrients in it. Nutrients like what? We have the likes of phosphates, silicates, we have the likes of nitrates. Now, H2O is a compound, right? Dissolved salt does not just mean one salt, different salts in it. And normally salt is a compound, but different salts now is comprising of different things. These dissolved gases here, they are also compound, and these nutrients are not just. Now, these ones are different compounds coming together with different things that are still inside the seawater, which makes us realize that this seawater is not a compound, and it's not an element on its own. It is a combination of different things that are not chemically combined together. This makes it be a what? A mixture. That is an impure substance. That means our answer here is what? Seawater. Let me break down iron fillings and sodium chloride. Now, iron fillings, from what this iron, we know that iron is an element, Fe, right? It's like iron broken down, pieces of iron. That is iron fillings. Though this is not a mixture because it's a pure substance. There's no impurity added to it. Now, sodium chloride. We have sodium and chlorine, which is NaCl. Sodium chloride is a salt, yeah, normal table salt, and this is a what? Is a compound So our answer here is what? Seawater. And I hope you know the reasons why seawater is our answer. And when we see this kind of question in our JAM examination, you can able to tackle it without fear. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. Like the video, comment, because there are some questions that I put there. Comment and share to your friends. Thank you.